Good morning, friends. Today, 6th June 2020. Today, we will discuss about what is life and how it is to be lived. Having lived in this world for last 50 years, one thing I have observed that most of us living in the past. When I say past, the past may be of chronological past. The past may be of a few seconds ago, maybe month ago, maybe years ago, or perhaps maybe decades ago. But somehow what we are or what a person we are is of made of past. The past constitute the persona what we call me. So me, the current me is the combination and composition of all the things that has gone through. And in this process also I have observed it is not only that last 50 years I have lived in this earth, but I have accumulated perhaps a million years thought process, attitude to life, environmental impacts, natural phenomena, and the hereditary learnings, both technological, psychological, and the which I don't like, the spiritual also. So the me is the constitution of all the things that has accumulated in this world over the last 50 years. And this me is nothing but the past. Does that I would like to delve on this topic little more. The past, which is constitutes of all the time that has been spent by me or by the human being per se in this world, is also the part of me. And if you look at very closely, you will see that the humanity has fought 1,000 wars. The humanity has saw 1,000 beatings, 1,000 anarchies, chaos, and this world day by day becoming very violent, aggressive. Competition is becoming the order of the day. And in this process, we have become tried to live a life better with compared to somebody, with compared to past, with compared to colleagues or something or other. So the comparison becoming the way of life, and competition, comparison, then the followed by the will. With all that, we have so far reached at this stage where we are living a life full of chaos, jealous, competition. Then the question arises, is it so? And if it is so, then where the changes will? How can that we can make this world a better place to live, prosper, where our kids will be have a life which is devoid of comparison, competition, chaos, conflicts, confusion. So friends, the time has come. We need to walk out. When I say walk out, we need to get ourselves a screening, a understanding of how and what has impacted our consciousness to get into this stage. if we'll understand that how the aggression, competition, all those things has deteriorated the humanity, the life in this earth, perhaps we will understand that what the better life is. So the issue is not to understand what is healthy life. The issue is to perceive and get a clarity of what is sick or the disease life we are leading. Hope to catch up on the same topic later on. Thank you.